Whoa, that was a nice one. That was a really
now,
good one.
for my real special ones. Skyboard Maximus Strike!
Okay, Alex, don't get too close to me, okay?
Skyboard Sword. Earthquaker!
Solid, dude. Solid.
Skyward Sword, X-Out.
That
Skyward Sword, Flying Falcon. Skyward Sword, Blade Spear. Skyward Sword, Flying Finisher.
What was the last one? Flying
Skyward Sword,
Flying Fisherman? What was the last?
Skyward Sword, Stealth Strike. No, you're not supposed to film it at.
Oh.
Skyward Sword, Wings of Terror.
That's a long one. Bad. That's bad. That's bad, man. That's bad.
Skyward Sword, Jab Slash.
Jab splash.
I said Jab Slash.
Okay.
Skyward Sword, Plus Minus.
You hit the home run on that one.
Skyward Sword, Spinning Terror.
Oh. Okay, Alex, that's getting close, I think.
Skyward, Zelda's Epic Move. Linked Terror. And that's it for today, class.
That is
Goodbye.
awesome, dude.